Hi and welcome to Chef in My Kitchen in Healthy Bite episodes again. As we are in the middle of the Scottish Food and Drinks fortnight, I was thinking I'll prepare a couple of dishes that will be inspired by Scottish ingredients and ideas. So for today, the first one today we're gonna do is, I was thinking Scotland, haggis, nice bacon, nice chicken. So that's what we're gonna concentrate on today. So the first one is, like I said, chicken. We've got chicken breast, free range organic chicken breast here. We'll try to open it and flatten it in halves. In other words, we'll open it as a papillon or butterfly. Let's try not to make holes in them, in the fillet itself, right? We'll season this with salt and pepper as we do all the time. And then I've got some haggis. Now if you haven't eaten these little ones, you haven't lived. These are made by Simon Howie Butchers. One of the best, if it is not the best. We've already cooked it in advance and boiled it in advance. So now it's ready here to stuff it with the chicken. So as you can see, nicely in the middle, and then we fold it gently. And if there is any openings in here, we'll try to close them, but not so bad at all because it's going to be rolled in something else. We've got dry cured bacon in here that we will try to fold it around all the way through, as you can see. If we put our hob on for about 210, and we try to sear it first in the frying pan so all the ham wouldn't open up and is nicely seared there. Coconut oil, organic, in here, and we just put a bit, there we are, really just to sear the chicken. Meantime, we have got this boiling water here. If we just add some salt into it. This is to cook some fresh new potatoes in here, and we can use them at a later time. Right, so my oil is hot there. I'm gonna gently sear it. It's getting seared quite quickly actually, which is good, as you can see here. And it's always nice to use the coconut oil, one, for healthier reasons. Second, it really doesn't splash as much as a vegetable oil or olive oil. So as you can see, it's all seared there. Got our tray ready with foil on, and we just put it in the oven for 25 minutes, 180. So I've got my water here with a bit of vegetable stock, and this we're waiting for it to boil to put our green cabbage in it and quickly cook it rather than having it there forever and it becomes mushy and so on and so forth. So this is nearly ready. I've added the vegetable stock as a preferences. You don't have to, but it will give it a nice taste once you put the cabbage in it. But if you don't prefer that, that's fine. You can have chicken stock if you like as well. It's up to you, really. This is right for right temperature now to put our cabbage. There we are. And really what we need to do is cook it for about 5 minutes or so, 4 or 5 minutes, and it should be good to go. Let's just check our chicken, see how far it is. 5 minutes and good to go too. Cabbage almost done. What we need to do is just put it aside and let it cook slowly in its hot water while we are making the sauce for the chicken. We've got some peppercorns in here. For just, I would say, a tablespoon, if it's that, let it fry, and you will hear it popping before we can start adding anything to it. As you can see there, it starts frying and popping. We add just a very little, half a quarter teaspoon of garlic, and then we add some chicken stock into it, and just let it reduce as much as possible. So if you prepare our plate here, if we let it rest there for a minute or so while we're sauteing this, and that will give the meat a chance to relax. And we've got double cream here that we'll add it to the peppercorn sauce, and again we just let it reduce a bit more. Meantime, if we can check our potatoes, which they should be ready, and ready they are. And there you have it, a Highlander chicken. So we've got our sauce here with our beautiful new potatoes. And there you have it. Simple, healthy, Highlander. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you when you try it, if you try it. Right, have a nice day, and we'll meet up tomorrow with the other dish.